Hey there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing one brand makeup tutorial, and that is full face of using Sugar Cosmetics. I love how this look turned out to be. So yeah, if you wanna know how these products work on my skin and what I think about them and how I got this look, then please continue watching. I'll be showing lipstick swatches at the end of the video, so watch till the very end. So first I would like to say thank you to Sugar Cosmetics for sending me these amazing products. I'm taking the LAG Blur Soothing Primer. It's a very amazing primer, a little tinted and it easily glides on the skin. It does reduce the pores around my nose. I did not expect the primer to work so good. Blurs out all pores, doesn't feel sticky or oily, lasts for almost 8 hours. It gives me a very lovely smooths out effect. A small amount of product is enough for a single application. I'm taking the Ace of Base foundation stick. It's lightweight, creamy and very easy to blend. Just amazing, the texture and consistency. I'm never going back to liquid foundation. This gives pretty good coverage and it's truly buildable. You don't need a concealer with this product, just go twice on areas you want to conceal. For me, it was my dark circles and dark spots. About the shade Macchiato, I would say it is a tad bit darker for my face. There is a brush attached to the other end of this product and that brush is so good. It blends this foundation amazingly and quickly. I'm just gonna take a small drop of Drop the Base Serum Foundation. This foundation feels so light on the skin, gives a very natural glow to the skin, medium to full coverage, and it is so good for combination skin. Now I'm taking the translucent powder. This powder is absolutely amazing. It does not leave a dirty white cast on the face. I normally use it to cut my contour and lightly set my face. This sleek all-in-one face palette houses a power-packed trio of bronzer, highlighter and blush. Exactly what you would love to stash in a clutch to create any look in a flash. If you want to look really subtle, this is your palette. Incredible formula, creamy and blends like a dream, good for almost all skin tones. Appropriate pigments, can apply less or more according to your need or occasion. Consistency is a must, that the product can be applied using fingers or brushes as well. Mirror is a much required add-on for easy application anywhere. The packaging is lovely, easy to carry and sleek. This highlighter is one of the best amongst all the others that I have used at this price range. This setter is a slayer. You can slay all day with this perfect makeup fixer. Totally in love with this product. Hydrates, mattifies and stays for a longer time. It's very addictive. You can't stop using it for all occasions. I love this brow pencil so much. It has the perfect pigmentation required for a brow pencil. And the spool is too gentle and soft and of nice quality. The palette is really beautiful, the colors are very vibrant and there are different formulation also. All the colors are very pigmented. I'll be taking this plum mauve shade and then I'll apply it on my crease. Now I'll be using this mauve burgundy shade and apply it underneath my crease as well as my outer corner and my inner corner. Now I'll be taking this rose gold and apply it on the center of my lid, making it a halo eye look. Then I'll go back to the mauve burgundy and blend it well. I'll be taking this green kajal and apply it on my waterline and take it down my lower lash line as well. It's very pigmented, very creamy and very easy to blend. Now I'll take the deep plum shade and apply it underneath my green kajal and blend it well. This metallic eyeliner has such good pigmentation, it settles instantly and is waterproof. I'll be applying it above my lashes and just cover half of my upper eyelid. And then I'll be applying this eyeliner and I'll be making a small wing. This eyeliner is also really amazing and totally waterproof. Now I'll be applying this mascara. I love the weightless formula which never clumps. It doesn't make your lashes stick to each other. It lengthens and give volume to the lash with a slight curl as well. Absolutely love it. And now I'll be taking the highlighter and apply it on my inner corner and my brow bone as well. And now it's time for some lipstick swatches. Alright, so this is the final result and I love how this makeup look turned out and everything. I love this lip color and how my base looks so flawless. Love the blush and my eyes. I absolutely loved doing this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one brand makeup tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon.